in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor orientation between landscape or portrait mode on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows Start button and search for Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select where it says Display. And then scrolling down underneath scale and layout versus display orientation, you can click the drop down and select either landscape or portrait mode. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.